Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Stellar building here in Bedford. We got ourselves an Otis with new Series 2. Oh great, it's going to be hydraulic. Creepy basement. Whoa, that looks cool. Anyway, let's go to listen to this motor. That, folks, is the hydraulic and machine room. Anyway, that's the new Series 2. Actually, it's a pretty nice elevator. I wonder when to install this thing in. Let's just get the inspection now. Stellar building, yes. And there goes the elevator.
Hold on just 1 second.
And I guess that is going to be it for me.